Am I on crack, or is that a good logo? Guys, I cannot do it by myself. This equipment is untested and highly unstable.
All right, ladies, we got a limited window for when the next train arrives. I'm telling you, and don't touch the third rail unless y'all little dainty ass can handle 750 volts.
Oh, come on.
You know what? I should have gave you some coveralls, man. It's so unsanitary down here.
You know, you don't usually think about the amount of urine smell.
That's pretty much how it's gonna be. It's not gonna freshen up at all.
Oh boy. Okay. Definitely got something over here. Look at, what is that, a bird?
That's where I saw that weird sparking thing.
What was it?
Baby, if I knew what it was, I wouldn't say a weird sparking thing.
It looks like fission scorch. What? Fission scorch down here? Except that you're right. What is that? Wait, I'm smelling both electrical discharge and isotopic decay. How is it? Holtzman?
Yeah.
Come here. I need your snoot on this. Am I nuts?
Hey, ladies, while y'all over there making out with that dirty piece of garbage, we only got a couple of minutes.
Do you see that? The eyes.
All right, Holtzman, now's not the time you're messing with
No.
Oh, cream and sugar. Hey, Patty, can I get some illumination on this subject?
Yeah, I can put some light on that.
Oh, boy.
That is more unsettling.
That's the dude I saw. I'm telling you, that's him.
We got another class 4, and this one's even more ionizing than one at the Aldridge Mansion. Where are these ghosts coming from? You know what? I gotta get this thing on film. Holtzman?
Yup.
Power us up, because we are taking this pretty boy back to the lab.
This is a little rough. It's in its early stages, gotta be honest. Just gonna plug these things in here. Okay, Aaron, come here.
Let me document this.
Grab it. That's gonna shoot a proton stream at that ghost, okay? So whenever I say go, you just do that. Why am I operating the untested nuclear laser? You have the longest arms.
Oh, you guys might want to hurry up.
Oh my god, I forgot the most important part. Yeah, sorry. Aaron, this is just a little bit of grounding so you don't die immediately. Do you know your iron level? It's fine.
You have done this before, right?
Okay, Aaron, on my cue.
In the barrel, Adam.
Ready. Hey, fire!
Okay, this is a little underwhelming. Can we get more power?
And once again, fire!
This isn't working!
Wow.
Can this thing get any stronger?
Not at the moment.
That's the train. We gotta move.
Just try to lure her back to the platform.
Whatever. That's the expression, and it's not stopping!
Oh God, the collar!
Well, I guess he going to Queens. He's gonna be the third scariest thing on that train.
Did you see that? Oh, you can't see anything. Oh, I mean, that power surge really held him.
Wow! We need more juice. We need to be more mobile. I know what to do.
Almost got killed.
Yeah, I know. It was so awesome.